Alright guys, so these are my strawberry plants. These are new this year. So they've been sending out a lot of runners. As you can see down there, I've been cutting loads off. But I'm going to try and keep some. So I've left 4 on the plant at the moment. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to keep these. What I'm doing is I've just got a pot. So I'll just pop that there for a second. And then all I'm going to do is get the runner, get a little bit of, I've got a bit of wire. So what I'm going to try and do, which is not easy with one hand, is pop them in there with this bit of wire, pinning it down. A lot easier if I could use both hands, but that bit there where it bends, that's where the root will start coming out. So that's the bit we want in contact with the soil. And that's all there is to it. So I'm gonna put up a few more and I'll get back to you in a minute. Right, so I've pinned 4 of the runners into these 4 pots here. So I will keep them watered, and I'll get back to you in a couple of weeks or so, and hopefully they'll have some nice roots and we'll be able to snip the stem which attaches it to the mother plant, and then we'll have another strawberry plant. You can do this whenever you want, obviously, but it might affect your strawberry yields because it puts quite a lot of energy into creating that new plant. That's why I've just done a few for now, because these are new strawberry plants. So I can do a few more at the end of the year. The rest of the runners I'll just be snipping off for now. So yeah, I'll get back to you in a couple of weeks. Alright, so it's about a week later now. So I'm just going to check on the strawberry runners that we put in the pots. So seems to be doing well. And they're starting to get some roots now. They're still not ready to be taken off yet. But try and gently pull this one up a bit. I shouldn't really do this, but just to show you the roots on there starting to come out. So we'll leave that alone now. And the other 2 are doing alright as well. So I'll get back to you again in about a week or 2, and they should be ready to cut off from the plant. Alright everyone, so it's been about another week now. So about 2 weeks since I originally pinned down the suckers in these pots, and I reckon I could get away with snipping them off now, but I'm going to leave them for now. But just to show you how simple it is to do. You can see the roots already coming out the bottom of the pot here, and that's only after 2 weeks. I think that's in thanks to all the damp and rain that we've been having, which has helped them root faster. So as you can see, this one here is already sending off a sucker, so I'll just take that off. And we've had a bit of aphid damage here and there, but this one's probably ready now to separate from the plant. But I'm going to leave it, I think. I'll just see if I can show you the root system on it. hopefully the compost doesn't all fall. But you can see the roots there. Quite a few on that already. So if I want to do, I could cut them off, but I'm going to leave it for now. That's just how easy it is. So we've got 4 more new strawberry plants for free. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you found this video useful. If you haven't already done so, if you could subscribe, that'd be fantastic. If you enjoyed, I'll see you on the next one. See you later.